Hi everyone, very warm welcome to my YouTube channel. So, how are you all? I hope that you people are pretty fine and doing very well. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you a lots of ideas related to pencil skirt. These skirts are in leather fabric. I hope you will enjoy these ideas. I have shared different skirts, different patterns, and different colors. All colors are very much beautiful, and every cut is different from every design. You can pick them and copy these ideas for your pencil skirts and your outfit. If you are new at my channel, then visit on my channel once. There I have shared a lots of ideas related to pencil skirts, and also with the blouse designs and shirt designs, and much more ideas I have shared on my channel. For back-to-back videos, you can check them in my playlist. I have shared with their names like pencil skirts, blouse designs, and different much more ideas. I hope you will enjoy those ideas as well. And also tell me about today's video in the comment section. And if you have any kind of demand related to any idea, write your demand in the comment section. I'll make a video on your demand as soon as possible I can.